My name is Sean Crabtree. This is Rocky, my shepherd, who was attacked by 4 pit bulls. They had eaten through and broken through the fence and came through and attacked my dogs. And Rocky took the brunt of it because he was protecting his sister and obviously his property. He just kept fighting, and he wasn't giving up until they finally took his leg. They ripped out his muscle so he couldn't use his leg. He had bites all over his neck, just all sorts of, just these deep holes. All of his head, his ears torn, and as of the 29th, he's been in intensive care. And they recommended that they remove the leg because it was just a source of infection. So he battled pneumonia, or still battling pneumonia. And it's being on fixed income, having that big of a vet bill is quite daunting. He's not giving up.